In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download offline maps on Google Maps app on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Google Maps and then just tap right here at your profile picture, and that's where you will find offline maps. Once you enter it, it will show you here, somewhere here, it will show you your current city, and that's where you are able to download your that offline map to your device. To do that, just tap right here at three dots and then tap at download. If you have already downloaded offline map for your current city, you can here update that map. And also right from here we can select sub area on a map, and that's how we can download custom map for offline usage. To do that, just tap right here, and then in that simple way you can select any area on a map, and once you find it, tap right here at download. It will start downloading the selected area, and after that you will be able to find it here at your offline maps. And then once it is done, you will be able to use that map when you are offline. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.